Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to share you button components, all about a button components, what kind of changes we can do with the components for a button. Today we will see this or it. So let's start. At first I create a button and let's component this. Okay, then add a new variant. So at first I will do something that creative, because if we late, then we have to select many buttons. So at first we should do this. At first I make the text properties, and then the right side icon properties. Okay, let's do it, and name rs means right side icon. Okay, then create it, or this is left, so naming this ls icon. Okay, we can what kind of changes we can from this button now. So let's see. At first we can see the right side buttons and the left side buttons. Oh, you see, you can see, guys. Okay, then the text also, this show text, because sometime we have had to use just icons, so this is also important. And now this is where this is okay. I think you guys are understand. Now let's do on more component. This is called secondary buttons. At first we have to change the buttons color. Okay, this is let's make it a stroke, remove fill, then make it a stroke, and make this blue or something. What happened, guys? I don't know what happening here. I think something. Oh, sorry. I I forget to remove the effect, and then let's change some color. I colored them. This is gonna be the hover, so this should be lighter color, and this was and this is the active color, so this type of color. Copy paste. Okay, we get two. Okay, let's make it the hover color. For hover we can simply this is too much, so we have to okay, this is gonna be fine. and these, okay, let's make it two variable. One already have, and second one should be state. State, okay, on active. hmm, or okay, state here, and hover our property primary, primary, secondary, Secondri, secondary. These two gonna be primary. Why primary? What? Let's rename primary. Primary. Okay, and these two secondary. Secondary, and this is the active one. These two gonna be the hover. Let's see what happened. Text button here, and this is active and hover, primary and secondary also. This is the primary, sorry, secondary, active or hover. So this is and we also can, okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video.